Hello family, friends of Lara. Today we are going to do native rice, which is the oil Jelof rice. Here I have with me onions, I have goat meat, I have my red oil, as you can see, I have my crayfish, 2 Maggi cube, I have the rice of salt, and I have salt, the rice, the chema of it, I have fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper, I have fresh spinach, and I have the dry roasted mackerel fish. So here we are about to start native jollof rice. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to set up on my gas. So I'm using this pot. So hope you guys will see what I'm doing. So I'll just let it hot a little bit, and I'm going to be adding every of my ingredients to it. I'm going to be adding every of my ingredients to it. So the first thing I'm going to be adding is the red oil, of course. My red oil to it, as you can see. So I'm going to be using my spatula for the red oil. So I'm leaving it to just have a little hot. Then the next step I'm going to be adding my onions to it. So I'm leaving it to fry for like 3 minutes, and I'm coming back. So keep watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. And there is a food channel. We also have a Facebook page where we cook, we bake, and we do other things. Okay, so the next ingredient I'm going to be adding, of course, I'm going to be adding my tomatoes, a fresh one, and my fresh pepper. My tomatoes, my fresh pepper, I'm going to be let it all fry together, and I'll keep stirring. Of course, I'll keep stirring. So my next ingredient, of course, I'm going to be adding my goat meat, already cooked. I'm going to be adding my just break it this very week. What I'm doing is still going to cook with the sauce later. I'm adding the 2 cubes, so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to be adding my salt. I'm not going to add everything because I don't want it to be too salty. Okay, so I'm just going to have a teaspoon. And of course, I'm going to be adding my crayfish. Add as abundant as you can. It make good taste. So at this point, I'm going to be stirring. I'm going to be leaving. I'm going to be stirring. See what I'm doing. I'm going to be stirring. And leave it for like 5 minutes, and I will be back. 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding my rice, of course, and at this point I'm going to be adding hot water, warm water, but not cold water. That is the principle of cooking, not cold water. So I'm going to be adding it, and I'm going to be stirring all together. I'm not using my spatula, I'm using my spoon. I'm going to be stirring together. Make sure you stir everything together. So at this time, just take a quick I believe every ingredient, it's okay. So I'm going to be adding my fish. I'm adding my fish, and I'm not adding my vegetables. I'm going to be doing that one at the last minute. I'm going to be doing that one. So I added water to it so it can cook a little bit better. So here is our native rice. I'm done with it, so I've stirred it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be covering it for like 20 minutes. I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm just going to stir it. This is about 10 minutes, and I can see that the water will not be enough. So I'm going to be adding water to it. So at this time I have to test for adjustments to see everything is balanced. So I added water. So I'm going to be covering for another 20 minutes. Okay, so our rice is ready. Can you guys see? Wow, our rice is ready, very ready. So I'm going to be serving this with plantain, fried plantain, ripe plantain, hot potatoes. So this is the outcome of it. Can you guys say it? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you.
I got you covered. All in, yeah, all in,